Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to connect PayPal to a crypto account. Connecting your PayPal account to a supported crypto platform makes it easier to buy cryptocurrencies, deposit funds, or withdraw money where PayPal is available. Keep in mind that PayPal isn't supported by every crypto exchange, and the available features may vary depending on your country. Now let's get started. First, open your preferred crypto exchange or crypto wallet that supports PayPal. Now sign into your crypto account, then go to Settings, Payments, or Payment Methods. Here, look for the option to add payment method or link PayPal. Now select PayPal from the list of available payment options, then you'll be redirected to the PayPal login page. Sign into your PayPal account using your email address and password. After that, review the permissions requested by the crypto platform. Now click Agree, Authorize, or Continue to link your PayPal account, then wait for the confirmation message. Once your PayPal account has been linked successfully, return to your crypto account. Now open the Buy, Deposit, or Withdraw section, then choose PayPal as your payment method whenever it's available. After that, enter the amount you want to deposit or use to purchase cryptocurrency. Now review the transaction details carefully, then confirm the payment through PayPal. Once the transaction is complete, check your crypto account to make sure the funds or cryptocurrency have been added successfully. If you don't see PayPal as a payment option, make sure your exchange supports PayPal in your country and that your PayPal account is verified. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.